Check the package contents first. Package 1. An operation and maintenance module. A 1x2 power cable. 2 screws. A user guide. Package 2. A battery pack. 2 straps. 4 screws. A user guide. Package 3. A solar panel. A user guide. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to loosen the straps and install them to the battery pack. Make sure the arrows point to the same direction. Install the operation and maintenance module onto the solar panel. Place the battery pack on the ground. Attach the strap to the pole without fully tightening it. Orient the battery pack south. Move it to an appropriate height. Tighten the straps. Attach the solar panel to the slot on the battery pack. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Align the 3 holes on the wall mount bracket with the holes on the pole mount bracket. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Use an L key to loosen the ball joint and turn it outwards. Open the straps. Install them onto the pole mount bracket. Move the bracket to the desired height. Tighten the straps. Use the L key to rotate the ball joint to the desired position. Mount the camera onto the bracket. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Use the L key to rotate the camera to the desired direction. Install the waterproof kit. Connect the network cable. Connect the 1x2 power cable. Connect the input to the battery pack's power output. Connect one output to the camera's power input. Connect the other output to the operation and maintenance module's power input. Connect the orange RS485A wire from the battery pack to the blue-white RS485A wire on the operation and maintenance module. Connect the blue RS485B wire from the battery pack to the blue RS485B wire on the operation and maintenance module. Ensure all power cables and RS485 wires are waterproofed. Connect the solar panel's power cable. The green indicator LEDs are on. Close the operation and maintenance module. Organize the cables to complete the installation. You can manage devices using the UNV-Link or UNV-Link Pro app. Take UNV-Link Pro as an example. Log into the UNV-Link Pro app. Scan the QR code on the camera to add the camera. On the Live View page, you can check the remaining battery of the solar system. Tap Solar Config section to view the solar status and historical statistics.